Daniel Delander came from the Tompion-Graham line of doing clocks, and his mechanisms are beautiful, as were his two teachers. But the case has now moved on, and it really is a magnificent showpiece. The finials right up at the top, these wonderful capitals, brass columns. Look at the quality in these Corinthian capitals. Most beautiful castings, finely chased, mercury gilded. They are superb. The column sits on these wonderful bases, a combination with the little cherub with his wings melding into the Arkansas leaf with the curve of the ram's horn, all incorporated into one beautiful design. The oak probably came from the Danube, where you had oak forests, and the trees were close together, so they had to grow tall. So you've got a lovely, long, straight trunk from which these woods were cut. So you've got these lovely brass gilded hinges screwed into place, and then the gilded frame on the outside is screwed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way around screws. And then the door is picked out in brass, which has been gilded. The lower door is the same, picked out in brass, gilded hinges, and the whole thing is quite magnificent.